In front of me is OPPO A15s, and let me show you how to change the date and time of this device. So at first you need to enroll the list of all apps, then reach Settings, find and select Additional Settings then, and click on Date and Time. And here you can smoothly switch off network provided time and now set it up manually, just like this. And that's it. That's how you can change date and time on your device. You can also activate home screen word clock here and dual clock if you wish. Then you can change the format of your clock at the top of the list, so you can use 12-hour format clock or 24-hour format clock as you wish. So this is it. That will be all. This is how you can change the date and time on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.